All right, we're here today to talk about how to garnish your bread with some inclusions. There's a couple things to consider, mainly being the type of garnish that you're using and the size. We're gonna start off. I've got my dough here. We final mixed it, so this is dough that is ready to start your bulk fermentation. And for larger, chunkier garnish, like dried cherries, or I've got walnuts here, we're gonna use what I like to call the squeeze-in method. The way that you do that is you just sprinkle it over your dough, and then you literally just, like the method says, squeeze it in by hand. You can kind of fold the dough over some of the garnish to help incorporate it. But I use this method for chunkier ingredients like nuts or dried fruit or olives, that sort of thing, because those chunky garnishes really kind of tear up the dough. So this is a very gentle way of getting your garnish in there. So I'm literally just taking the dough through my fingertips and squeezing until I feel that it is evenly dispersed. And it should only take a minute or two. So now this dough will now enter your bulk fermentation and just bulk ferment it as normal. So it's still probably 2-3 hours with a turn or with a fold in there. And then you apportion it like you normally would.